Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about how to make our last kind of graph. We're going to learn how to make a pie chart. And if you remember, a pie chart is that circular graph, and it uses these pie slices to show the data. And remember that it has a title and it has the labels just like our other graphs, but this one has a legend, right, to tell us what these labels over here mean. So we're going to work on making our very own pie chart. So the first thing we have to do when we're making a pie chart is we have to collect our data. So I collected my data by asking my family, asking some of my friends. I called them on the phone and I asked them what they ate throughout all of yesterday. I asked 8 people and I put my data into this table. I wrote food and the categories were meat, fruit, chips, or bread. And then I recorded how many people ate meat, how many people ate fruit, how many people ate chips, and how many people ate bread. I recorded it using tally marks. Remember that we make those lines for tally marks. They each count as 1. And if we would have gotten to 5, we would have put that line across it. So now I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this data and put it into a pie chart. So the first thing we need to do for our pie chart is we need to make a circle. I didn't have a circle to trace. Like sometimes we have our metal insets at school that we can trace to make a perfect circle. I didn't have that. I don't have the metal insets at home. So I found something in my house that was a circle and I traced it. You also could do your best to just draw a circle. Either works. So once you have your circle drawn, the next thing we need to do is we need to put our pie pieces in. So I asked 8 people. That means that I need to make my pie slice into 8 slices. And remember when we talked about fractions, and fractions they're divided into equal pieces, so every piece has to be the same size. So when I make my pie into 8 slices, they have to be 8 equal slices. They have to all be the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my pie into 8 slices. You can do this at home by doing this. First thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a line straight down the middle to divide it in halves. Okay, so now our circle is divided in halves. We're doing the best we can to make 2 equal sides. Now I'm going to draw a line going across this way. This divided it into 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're divided into fourths, equal pieces, 4 equal pieces. Now I'm going to take my line, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw it diagonally across, making sure I go through the center. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side so that they're equal sizes. Okay, so I did my best to make the pieces as equal as possible, but now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. 8 slices, and I asked 8 people, so that is perfect. All right, the first thing, now I'm going to make my legend over here. We did the first thing, we made our pie chart. Now we need to make the legend. Remember that the legend is what tells us what the colors and what the numbers over here mean. So in order to make a legend, I'm going to just draw a square. Okay, I just drew a big square like that so I'd have enough room to put the color and I'd have enough room to write the word. The first one we're going to put on our pie chart is we're going to put meat. There were 4 people that ate meat yesterday. So I am going to I'm going to take a different color and I am going to color in 4 pie slices because 4 people ate meat. Go ahead and color in 4 pie slices. Now, I'm not doing my best coloring. I'm going quickly so that you guys can see and finish it, but make sure that you're doing your best coloring and you're taking your time. Okay, So I colored in 4 pie slices. Now I need to go over to my legend. In order to let people know what this means, I'm going to make a little blue square inside the legend, and I'm going to write meat, because these 4 pie slices are showing how many people ate meat. So your pie chart and your legend should look like this. All right, next up, fruit. Fruit had 2 people who ate it yesterday. So I'm going to take a new color and I'm going to color in 2 pie slices because 2 people ate fruit. Okay, so now you colored in your 2 slices for fruit. You remember you're going to make a square in your legend, and you're going to write fruit. All right, now your pie chart should look like this. The next one we have is chips, and 1 person ate chips. So you're going to color in 1 pie slice because 1 person ate chips. I'm going to color in my 1 pie slice. And then I'm going to make the square over in the legend, and I'm going to write chips. So it looks like this. All right, we've got 1 more. I want you guys to do this one on your own. Finish your pie chart. Bread. Bread had 1 person who ate it yesterday, so color it in on your pie chart and then make it in your legend. Okay, so I didn't have enough colors to do them all different. So what I did was, instead of coloring it in blue, I did lines. So you know that these 2 are different. All right, so now you have all of your pie slices colored in. Now we have to add our labels, absolutely. So I want you to go and I want you to put the numbers. You can put them on